My name is Carla Nat. I came to Touch of Life and Physical Therapy after having an ankle surgery and a tear in my rotator cuff. For my very first visit, I felt very welcome and supported by the whole team. They are very, very friendly. My physiotherapist, Dr. Joe, is not only knowledgeable, but truly supported, and he always knows exactly which treatment I need to keep on making progress. And it has made a huge difference in my day-to-day life. I'm feeling stronger, I'm moving better, and I'm getting back to my activities that I love to do. I highly recommend to come to Touch of Life and Physical Therapy to anyone who is looking for a quality physical therapy and a genuinely warm human treatment.